How you doing, guys? This is Dr. Suh from Specific Chiropractic. We apologize due to a technical glitch. We lost some of the audio on our first day video. So to help explain what's going on with her, 3 months prior to her first visit here, she was lifting something very heavy and as a result, knocked something out. And she started to lateral flex significantly towards the right, excruciating sharp low back pain, and pain going all the way down her left leg, down to her left ankle. She did try physical therapy, which didn't help. Medication didn't help. Also soaked herself in a hot bath water to help alleviate some of the discomfort as well. So without further ado, please enjoy the video.
For my main problem is what is like I saw a lot of like this is the bone base center. This is painting the liquid come out, or what is the main problem for mine?
The sacrum is supposed to be here. That's normal.
Yeah.
But it went this way.
Oh.
But it went backwards so much. It also dragged these two bones backwards like this as well. That's what we're seeing over here. This is the pelvic brim. We're supposed to see like this shape.
Yeah.
Normal supposed to be over here.
Yeah.
But because it tilted backwards so much, see this? The vertical height.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be over here, but no, it shrunk so much.
Yeah.
So both hip bones did this way.
Oh.
You dragged it that much.
Yeah.
And on top of all that, we see your sacrum over here, normal supposed to be here.
Yeah.
It tilted this way. So that's why I had to do a special maneuver is we do need to move it up over here.
Yeah.
It's not an immediate correction because there's so much swelling over here. You gotta ice it down, get all the swelling out of the way.
Yeah.
Let your body start repairing itself. We're gonna need some time for that, right? And then we're gonna reevaluate what's going on over here. But it has to be a future visit because there's so much swelling and damage in the area. Very hard for me to see what's going on in there.
Oh.
But for the moment, today's visit, your body clearly said, nope, this is the problem we need to fix.
Oh. That because there's so much soiling that you can't figure out what happens there.
I have a pretty good idea, but I want to be really certain on that. Right now, there's so much swelling in there, kind of hard to tell.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Sure.
All right. How are things? Because I'm seeing how you're walking. You look like you're walking much faster now.
Yeah, a little bit like good, better than yesterday. I like when I wake up to this morning, I feel I walk like easily, little bit better than yesterday.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Any other changes?
Yeah, I put every 2 hours an ice bath here back because it's swelling, and then little bit like better, like yesterday than the.
Good.
Yeah.
How are things bending forward and also getting out of a chair? How is that?
Everything getting not like better, but a little bit getting better. Like yesterday, I was so I can't like little bit like this. Today, little bit getting better.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right. So have a seat. Let's take a look.
Okay.
All right. So we still see the swelling over here. Okay, so. Even more. reading here. All right, so some swelling over here. How's this? Not too bad?
Yeah.
How's this?
It's pain.
Right here still. Yeah, so you got that nice little speed bump right over here. Yeah. It's not tilting that way whatsoever. So you still had that inferiority on the sacrum over here that we need to address over here. How's that feel? Not too bad?
Not too bad, yeah.
And how's this one? Not too bad?
Yeah, not too bad.
See, this is your 5 and a 4th lumbars. No, but this sacrum over here, that's the root fella. So you gotta address that one. Let's roll. Actually. Trust them. There you go. Walk around.
Much better, like little bit better than before. I feel like little bit better.
How much better would you say?
Like right now before, like 70%. Like
70% easier.
Yeah.
Hey, that's great progress.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the story. Today's Friday,
Yeah.
right? And I want to see you on Monday, see how you're healing up.
Okay.
Continue icing that every 2 hours because once again, you're going to pump all that fluid and all that swelling out of there.
Okay.
All right? Okay. See you Monday.
See you Monday.
Okay. Give us an update. How's everything doing so far?
Before I couldn't sleep all the night
Uh-huh.
when you start to do this treatment, and then I can sleep like nicely, but it's still like pain.
Do you have a complete sleep or how long can you sleep?
Before I couldn't sleep. Before I couldn't sleep without painkiller.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm quick to take the painkiller, but now I can sleep like 4 hours, and then after,
Great.
yeah.
That's
And
good progress.
after, like before I couldn't sleep 1 hour also, like without take painkiller. Now I'm
Understood.
quick,
Mhm.
but it's totally good. But now I can sleep.
Nice.
When I come here the first day, I couldn't sleep tonight all the night.
Hey, that's great progress. Okay, let's have a seat. We still have the swelling over here. You feel that right there?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, see, it's still jammed right in there. That sacrum still needs a tune-up. Good. Okay. How's it now?
A little bit, like even a little bit, like 1-2%.
That's still left in there?
Yeah.
That's pretty good progress. All right. So here's the story with this one. All right. We already did our job for today. Let it heal up. Continue the ice regimen.
Yeah.
And then we'll see you on Thursday. give us an update. How's everything doing so far?
Not getting so much good, but I can sleep like not pain like before. Like little bit getting little bit better. Yeah.
So how many hours can you sleep these days?
These days little bit like before I can't sleep if I took the painkiller and then only 2 hours sleep and then again. When I start like when it last Monday that time like 4 hours now 6 hours I can sleep.
6 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
Hey, that's great progress.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look, see what's going on.
Okay.
This is getting better. Yeah, still have a reading there. Still jammed up in there. Okay. No. Excellent. Yeah, walk around. Okay. How's it now?
Little bit better.
Yeah. Okay. All right. We'll see you in the next visit.
Yeah. Sure.
So, give us the latest updates. How's everything doing so far?
So far, before I couldn't sleep night. Nowadays I can sleep like at the night time. When I sleep all the night it was pain before. Now it doesn't pain. When I walk, little bit numb like this side. But now there's good.
Okay, can you show to the viewers where do you feel numb?
When I sleep and walk, so this part is numb, like little bit numb. Like when I walk. Otherwise, it is good, getting better.
All right. All right. Now we're seeing the swelling. It's moving. It's here. Yeah, see that sacrum there is doing much better with this thick lumbar. All right. So as we see over here, this is your first set of films.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we took the X-ray over here.
Yeah.
Okay, our second set, we can see already we made a significant difference already on this one.
Yeah.
We're constantly working on sacrum, and now this fifth lumbar is finally ready to be corrected, and this is the one we're going to be focusing on.
Yeah.
From now on. There we go. There it is. Come on up. Okay, walk around.
Now it's so comfortable to walk, like.
So comfortable to walk, huh?
Yeah. And
hey, that's great.
When I walk, a little bit numb, like this side, but this is.
Well, that's a work in progress.
Yeah. Yeah. It's been 4 days, whole night. It's no problem. Like when I sleep, it's no problem.
That's great. Okay, so thanks for the updates. We'll see you in the next visit.
No problem.
Okay, so fill us in the latest updates. How's everything coming along?
everything is now there's no pain, nothing. When I walk a little bit like numb, like that's it, and it's nothing pain, nothing like just normal. But yeah, but I have to raise like those things. Yeah.
How are things waking up in the morning?
It's morning when I wake up. It's feel better. It's nothing, those pain, nothing that.
So no trouble getting out of bed? Or,
No,
or anything
nothing.
like that?
Before, oh my goodness, I can't sleep. Like when sometimes I pull pillow here, sometimes do that. It's not. Now I can sleep any situation.
So no
And
problem
more
sleeping.
than 3 months before, I can't sleep like straight. I can sleep like only sleep like this. Now it's so amazing.
Oh, glad to hear.
So good job.
Oh, thank you. Have a seat and let's take a look. Still have that your pressure there. Yeah. See, we've got all that puffiness all around here. Right there. Put this up. Just relax a little more. Relax a little more. Pump it up. There we go. A little more. Good. Walk around.
Feels so good, like so comfortable, like
So comfortable, huh?
yeah, so good. Yeah.
I'm glad to hear. Well,
I'm so happy. I'm so glad to meet you. And before I totally lost my mind. Like oh my god, I'm too young. Like this surgery, I have to do a lot of things. So
well, I'm sorry to hear that you're moving to Boston.
yeah.
Okay. We have, we already gave you the list. There's 3 great guys and doctors in the Boston area. You'll be good hands with them. You still need a couple more months to steadily correct the rest of your structure over there. All right?
Definitely, I will.
Well, let's keep in touch. I hope to see you sometime way in the future there.
Definitely.
All right? Okay. It's been an honor.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.